I don't even know where we're going, baby.
Yeah, all the lights come on.
Oh, what?
But you are still the one I won't forget. The mess we made, all the things we shouldn't have said.
I have no
let
idea
your
where we are.
guard down, so I let my guard down too. You are still the one, can't pretend
Oh, I
that
don't know,
you're not.
baby.
So I won't, no, I know we got our problems, but I
Right.
know we can solve them. 'Cause everyone has
Right.
gone home,
I don't know, which way we go?
but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care, 'cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. When the party is over. Confetti on the floor from the night before, but when the sun comes up, you're still the one I won't forget. The mess we made,
No?
all the things I forgot
No, I
how
got
to
some
say.
pebbles.
Know that I'm no good with words, for what it's worth. You are still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So
This is Geelong Motorcycle Centre.
I know we got our problems, but I know we can solve them. 'Cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. Problems, well damn it, I don't care, 'cause everyone has gone home, but you still dance with me when the party is over. When the party is over. You're still the one, can't pretend that you're not. So I won't, no I won't. I know we got our problems, but I know we can solve them. 'Cause everyone has I don't care.
So look at the helmet. Good afternoon. Here we are at the Geelong Motorcycle Centre with Steve and Gabe. Introduce yourselves and
G'day, I'm Gabriel. This is my dad, Stephen. We're partners and we own Geelong Motorcycle Centre.
how long you been going for?
Just shy of 5 months, but we've had the shop for probably over a year now, I think. But it's just taken a while to get it running, but we're open now.
There's some delays due to we had to get a council permit to operate, because this is an industrial area, so we had to get a council permit to go retail. And then there was also the licence to trade, motor car licence, which took forever to get, so that slows down.
Right. So what sort of work do you do? I see you sell second-hand bikes.
Yep,
Yes.
so primarily it's we buy, swap and sell second-hand motorcycles. We do repairs, not huge ones like, engine rebuilds, gearbox rebuilds, we don't do any of that. But like, if you need set indicators, a new horn put on, basic service, we can do that. We sell gear as well. We offer roadworthies and club registration through Motorcycle Centre as well. So we get a lot of guys come in with their old, 80s, 250s, stuff like that. They want to chuck it in club reg, they sign the form, it's easy done.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Actually, I've got an old XS650.
Yeah,
I need to get roadworthy again and put it back on.
Yep.
Club reg.
Yeah, so we got a club, so they just come in, sign the form straight.
Yep, it's done.
Easy.
Don't even need to take the vehicle into Vic Roads. You just take the paperwork in, you're in and out in 10 minutes with the plate in your hand.
Yep. So what sort of bikes do you normally service or repair?
Well, we typically get a lot of Jap stuff. Hondas, Kawasaki's, Yamahas. We get a bit of Harleys, but look, we're not really shying away from anything. But yeah, so mostly it's Japanese bikes.
Yep.
We've been
that's
the influx. Of it.
And what sort of history you have in the industry?
So I spent 2 years at the Gordon doing my automotive degree, and I've spent a lot of time in workshops.
Spent a bit of time working with Peter Stevens.
Yeah, yep. So I've had a mechanical background for a fair few years now. It's probably been over 10, I reckon.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
But yeah. And then Dad's obviously always loved
I've
bikes.
just got a more small business management background.
Yep.
But yeah, always had a passion for bikes and had one on different. I remember I had 20 different bikes over the
Probably
years.
something like that. You've had a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's
Now
good.
I've got 2. And you had about half a dozen, I think.
9, I think. 9 or 10, something like that.
So what's your personal bike you ride?
I've got a 2013 Super Glide Harley.
Yep.
And I've got a KZ 1100 Kawasaki as well, which needs a rebuild. So
No, right.
yeah, I'm on the Harley, which I
Yep.
couldn't bring in today because I had all of the sausages and bread
Yes.
stuff to bring in for the barbecue.
Couldn't have that, put that in your jacket. That's for sure. It's a bit too much.
And what's your personal ride? The Kawasaki 650,
probably
I guess,
it's a 650 SR.
SR 650. Classic.
Rare as hen's teeth. There's probably like 20 of them in Australia. They
Needs
had
a bit
a
of
lot of.
time,
Yeah, it's getting a bit long in the tooth. Yeah, I love that thing. It's served me good, reliable.
Yeah. So what year's that?
81.
Okay.
Yeah, I used it as my daily ride for a couple of years, and then I decided to chuck it on club reg because I wasn't getting out on it enough and getting a bit tired. So take it out every couple of weekends. That's the benefit of club reg. $80 a year.
I know.
Yeah, you don't feel like you need to jump on it every day. But yeah, I love that thing. And then I've got a couple other bikes, but that's the main one I ride.
Oh, okay. All right. That was good.
Yes.
Thank you. So what's your address and?
It's Shed 3, 85 Mornington Street.
85 to 87.
Yeah.
85
And you got a Facebook page, YouTube channel?
Well, we don't really have a YouTube channel yet. We're sort of in the works
We've
of
got
that.
one video.
Yeah.
We've got our website, which is www.geelongmc.com.au, and we've got a Facebook page as well, Geelong Motorcycle Centre. And it's Shed 3, 85 to 87 Mornington Street North Geelong.
We're just off Duro. You literally take the first right, you do this little snake turn, and we're right there. You can't miss it.
It's in a bit of an industrial area, so we like that, but it's a little bit off the beaten track, so once you find us, it's easy to remember.
Yeah. No worries. Thank you very much.
All good.
All right.
Thank you.